All right, still on the matter. Street chance on Wazobia TV. Back to them. One thing. Oh, shit. Feel it. The question when I throw enter street today now. Very funny question, and I normal to every most go to the yab each other, and I say make I just throw and enter street today. Now I see as it go be. The question be say yes, if you born, as your wife born finish, as a man, if your wife born, the company and say the pikin resemble your landlord. As a man, what you go do? As a woman, what you go do? Still on the matter of straight chance on Wazobia TV. Back it there. Oh shit, feel it. Don't touch it there. I went to street now. I did street already, but I went to road now. I think I find out more questions, more talk to more people, give me more ideas, more talks, more yarns, more yarns. Back it there. How far now? How you doing?
I do, bro.
See the matter went through corner. You don't born, you don't marry.
Yes, I don't marry. Now one.
What of that one when they born? As they just born and your wife born and finish, the kid don't resemble landlord. What you go do?
If you go resemble landlord, a simple thing now. I will tell landlord say, okay, make it landlord carry house, give me, I can't begin give back. Go to trade my partner.
But you resemble the landlord.
Resemble the landlord. Say they begin resemble the landlord.
Resemble the landlord. The same look.
I can't begin the landlord.
All right, still on the matter. Sweet yards, bro. Have fun now. Come now, bro. Hey, have fun. Have fun. How you doing? Yeah, you not born. You never give one girl belly.
No, never.
You never give girl belly. What of you not born? If you don't marry now, you come born. Just start say the pikin resemble landlord. What you go do?
Nah, landlord get them now. Landlord get them now. No be me get them with that now. I go para, I go fight. Now so I go fight where. Even I go kill that landlord.
All right, so let's run down straight. As soon as I say this guy get what you want to talk, bro, I can't go see this guy first. Bro, come now, bro, come. If now you what you go do?
Wetin?
You say if your wife born now, what's that say they became resemble landlord? What you go do?
Nothing to do now. Not to just I carry the pikin give landlord now.
Then you just sleep am.
No.
To your wife.
No, my wife don go already now. That one I confirm.
That one come and see, you don't pursue.
I don pursue that one. But landlord house, he no go fit go with him own house. Make him carry the pikin make I collect the house. Yes.
They say when you see the kitchen for them.
Na so. As if the money no never dey now.
All right, still on the matter of street chance on Wazobia TV. Okay, if now you what you go do?
Bros, I don't fit tell you lie. We with the summer before my woman, we dey spend a lot of money for woman before we marry am. So our own woman no fit go dey marry, go dey friend with another landlord. So if it happen like that, let me say family go put for the matter. Let me say I just carry the woman go give the landlord. So we'll find out know whether that's true or be like lie. That's what happen.
Go find out whether that's true.
Yes. So I can't go carry. It can happen short. But let me say until the way landlord sleep with your wife before pikin go resemble landlord. So the way you work out with somebody, pikin go feel resemble person.
Even say if I dey waka with this guy now, as this guy feel.
Yes, as your friend. You go be your wife will report resemble am. Not be something when you sleep with am. Yes.
That's like that.
It dey happen like that, bros.
This guy when get bad head, look that guy. That guy get bad head now.
Yes.
Your pikin come resemble am.
No, not be get am o.
You say wetin?
You can do blood test. Yes. They improve. Anything you want, you do. I will go and do.
I don't carry the pikin give landlord. I will carry the pikin give landlord. After I don suffer, marry a woman. Oga, shebi you see we when we wan marry, we dey suffer well.
Where you marry from?
I marry from Enugu State. Yes.
Stress with that.
I dey tell you now. So you know easy. Me I be Edo boy.
Edo boy.
Yes.
Me
I be Edo.
and they go buy you well.
They buy me, I spend the money because I wetin I fight for. I like am, I like the girl, that's why I marry her. As she dey give me wetin I need, not be say e no fit happen for my wife, no fit happen make go. They give me at least they give me less of my head for house. She dey lis ten to me, I lis ten to her. No, we happy, we dey for happy family. No fighting. Forget about all these things. I know the kind of thing where you dey go. I dey tell you.
Sabi give well, I mean.
Woman love me, I love her.
That's so, Shana so. Yeah, love now be number one. Still on the matter, street chance or Wazobia. Back it up. Back. Bro, Alpha. Come now. Bro, Alpha now. How you doing? Wazobia TV.
Talk to my Oga now.
Yeah. Oga, come now. No, I can't come. Come, Oga, before your hand. You won't be Oga, you dey run for camera. Bad for you.
If I talk here,
So
now
no dey
Oga
chop.
will talk.
Confirm Oga. Give me a. You don't marry, You don't marry,
No. Don't mind now.
What if you born? As you just born, your wife born, you pick up resemble landlord. What you go do?
The wife and the pikin go pay you part of them. Go give the landlord now.
What you go do?
I don't
All the
think.
money when you waste, you marry.
Forget money go, money go come.
So yeah, leave her like that. Your wife born. Yeah, you come by your wife born, you pick up resemble landlord.
No, I don't get landlord. My landlord don't die. Now landlord I get. So landlord no wife. No, my landlord I get it.
Not for you. This is not for you. All right, so no matter how straight chance of Wazobia TV. Bro, have fun now. Bro, talk to us.
This is our Baba.
Man,
They
talk to
don't get married.
Bros, good afternoon. How we did? See what you did there. If you born pikin now, your wife born now, then you come find and say the pikin resemble your landlord. What you go do?
I'll go away my people resent my land. It's not possible.
What on this? What like that?
I know you have to verify things before you can react to anything. How could you born and you resemble another person? It's not, you can't, I don't think that is possible.
Okay, what on verify? I'm not saying
I'll just want to go meet the landlord now. I'll want to go meet the landlord.
All right, since may I tell you now the truth, since when I dey interview people concerning this question, not only this guy don't give me reasonable answer, you know that kind of thing. So let the matter of straight chance on Wazobia TV. Bang! If you hear, if I hear, how na dey? All this one they never born. All right, just still on the matter of straight chance. Okay, quickly. The motor don't move. Listen, at the risk where they the job with that. So we see many things. Ekasu, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, from Wazobia TV.
It's okay.
Don't see me can ask one question. I want to ask you one question. Don't be political question. As you do so, your wife dey, and you dey stay for one house. Your wife come born. If your wife born, then the pikin when he born come resemble landlord. What you go do?
Wetin? I don't understand what
If your wife born now, and the pikin when he born come resemble landlord, what you go do? That is the joy and if you join man too.
Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ mi ò níyàwó báyọ̀, you no good at all. God no go. No go happen. No go because of God. No go happen.
That is now you go what you go do.
Hello. That one na wahala o. Because I know you no go dey inside. You no go dey inside o. Na wahala, na really wahala. Na really wahala. I go drag my wife go say but when we get this one, how the thing come be like that? I say me and landlord I no be the same family. No go possible. I no go allow my wife. Where you come from?
All right, still on the matter of straight out of Wazobia TV. If they watch me live, this one, one segment maybe say yes. Get one next segment, one enter fastest finger segment and bring to. They say now bring it. Normally you go tell you brought to you by, but this one, it's gonna give you this one. Small recharge card, fastest finger. Watch me out. See us what to give the recharge card. Guy. Finger segment from fastest finger they wash. I just dey tear am and I go scratch am now and I go see am. And put down. No. Wait now, give me chance, give me chance. Come this side, come up from my back. Stay there, stay there. All right, fast stringer. As I dey scratch on, then I go to call you. Yeah, cool down, come out. Move behavior. Come this side, come out. All right, come out there. Soon as the matter street chance on Wazobia TV, nobody fit see am, they no born the way. Even though the babalawo do the jazz for them, they no fit see am. Forget that. You sabi. Leave her. You dey do in sabi 10 number. Now make you never fit win Baba Jebu for how many years? Oh yeah, go. Okay, come this side. Just help me come this side. I dey fear you. Are we ready? The first 4 number. Are you ready? I go call and when I dey hear am 8102 0434 831 and the last digit na 3. Who know that? Go. Come see.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.